Let's build a simple Python encryption program using the Caesar Cipher algorithm. It's old, like ancient Rome, but still super cool for learning how encryption works. Okay, I'll create a new file called main.py. You can name yours however you like. Alright, the first thing we need is a list of all the characters our program will support. We could hardcode them one by one, but that's messy and painful. Instead, let's use this built-in function with list comprehension. It's clean and quick. If you are not used to list comprehension yet, don't worry, it's just a short version of a for loop. Now we need to create our encryption function. Let's call it encrypt, short and simple. This function will take two things, the original text that we want to encrypt and the key, which is basically our shift value, just a number. Alright, inside our function, let's first make an empty string called encrypted text. This will store the final encrypted result as we go. Next, we'll look through each character of the original text one by one. A for loop is perfect for this, compared to while loop. Here, I will be our dummy variable. And this is the variable that holds the original text. Inside the loop, the first thing we do is find the index of our character. Inside the character list, we'll store that in this variable. Then we add the shift value to that index. This gives us the position of our new encrypted character. But here's the catch. What if the character that we are searching is already at the end of our list? If we keep shifting, Python gets mad because we gone out of range. To fix that, we use the modulus operator. It basically gives us the remainder of a division, which help us to stay inside the list size. Think of it like a circular track. When you go past the end, you loop right back to the start. Now we can safely get our encrypted character from that new position. Alright, now we need a place to store all the encrypted characters. Remember this variable we created earlier? Yeah, it's time to put it to work. In each loop iteration, we'll take the new character and add it to encrypted text. And that's basically it. Once the loop is done, we just return the final encrypted text. Now we can call our function. But first, we need some text and a shift value, right? So we'll ask user to type in some text using the input function. Then we ask for the shift value. And remember, shift value is a number, so convert it to an integer. Finally, we call our encrypt function with these arguments and print the results. It's time to see our code in action. Okay, let's type some letters. I'm just type some random letters and I'll shift it by 3 and there it is, your encrypted text. Bet you didn't see that coming. If you found this helpful, make sure to watch our other video about decrypting messages.